Hey people, after long I'm doing this whole review. So, on Amazon Prime, there is this show called Half Love, Half Arranged, and it is based on a book. And as part of their cast, they have Manvi Gagru, they have Karan Wahi, and all these, very well known faces. But for me to be making this video is to say that quite often in a comedy ensemble it is the stars who are like Grusha Kapoor, for instance. She plays this very funny bua character in this show, and it is like her comedy timing is such that I personally sat down to watch the show simply since Grusha Kapoor was a part of the star cast. So literally people, today we have like every platform is like flooded with content. So at a time like this, when you have, I feel comedy, to have comic timing is something that it doesn't happen. Yeah, it's either you have it or you don't. And Grusha Kapoor, the star, has it for sure. So honestly, I sat down to watch the show because it had Grusha Kapoor in it, and I am so glad I watched it because it is so refreshing. I mean, from the first scene onwards, it's a very fast paced show, and basically, it's about the 30-year-old gynecologist who's looking for, looking to settle down, and her own aunt is a matchmaker, and it's just it's a very hilarious setup in which is in Grusha Kapoor's character is called Rajni from Rajouri Gardens. That's a place in Delhi, right? So I can't recommend the show enough. It's called Half Love, Half Arranged, and you can watch it on Amazon Prime. So truly, people, if you want to watch some really cool comic timing, this is one show you need to sit down to watch because it'll entertain you through and through. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.